back. We're at my client Melissa's house. We're about to install some artwork that we purchased from Elizabeth Sutton. I cannot wait to show you the pieces we chose and talk about why we chose them. Check it out. So I could hear Elizabeth already. I hear her voice from outside and she's
so
like
excited.
walking up. Are you so excited?
I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it in this space.
I know.
I just feel like that wall really needs it and it's going to look amazing when it comes.
So are we telling everybody what it is yet, or are we going to wait for her to walk in with it? I think that's like we should wait.
Yeah,
and then we're going to talk about,
yeah.
We'll totally have a surprise about which piece it is and why we chose that piece, which like to me was really just
and I will
very heartfelt. And I don't know.
I'm not going to cry though.
You can cry though, because it's emotional, and you know what? That's what art does. It's supposed to evoke emotion. So
I can't wait to see it in person.
I can't wait to see it either. And it's perfect because we talked about hanging it in this in this corner above the chair. Do you want to tell everybody what about the chair?
I will tell everyone about the chair. So this chair is actually my grandmother's chair. It is from 1920, and when my husband and I first got married, he was just starting school, and my grandmother had recently passed away, and we had really no money, like zero. And
he was in undergrad, or he was in dental
starting
school?
dental school.
Oh God.
First
okay,
year.
right. So like you're totally newlyweds, totally
20
broke,
years old,
no money,
and he was starting dental school. So he took the furniture
from your grandma,
from my grandmother's, from my grandmother. We put it in our apartment, and over the years, it's so comfortable. Just sitting in it is kind of like a hug. And it was outdated, the material was older, the springs were falling apart, but I couldn't get rid of it. It's just comfort and hugs and warmth.
Right, and it was one of the most important pieces that,
right.
It was very important to you that piece remained, and we had to make it work.
Right,
and we chose in here.
And I would told Stacy I don't want to lose the piece, and it was originally not in this room, but
Stacy,
with her creativity,
we worked it in. We worked it into the room,
and
we refinished it, reupholstered it, put a gorgeous new pillow on it, and now it's going to be sitting in the corner with the art.
Voila.
And when you hear the rest of the story, why that art was chosen, it's going to make even more sense why this is so special. I heard your voice from outside, and I was like,
holy Stacy.
Hi, first of all. Hi. Very excited.
I miss you.
I couldn't wait to, I couldn't wait for you to get here because
I just passed that room. It's iconic.
I
want to go look at it.
I know you're going to. We're going to talk about that room in a second, but this is where we're going to be hanging the butterflies. We marked the wall
it's exactly. So funny. I just saw it on your Instagram. I didn't realize that was the client.
This is the client. This is a sentimental value. This is her grandmother's chair.
So this is
it was very important for her to work this in.
Stacy, you're too good.
This is unbelievable.
How stunning is it? It's so beautiful. The butterflies make me feel like my mom, and the chair's my grandmother's chair.
I know, and
it's so special that this corner I love the idea of bringing home, something home into your house,
Yeah, I know.
I'm not expressing it right.
I know what you mean. It's not
like
even
a comfort. It's like a warm hug. It's amazing looking.
This is amazing, right?
Amazing. And the colors are fantastic.
Fantastic.
They're perfect. It's like it was painted perfectly for this room.
Honestly, I couldn't be happier with the result. I mean, it's really
perfect.
It's perfect.
Are fantastic.
Hold on, let me get a picture.
Melissa, what do you think?
First, I'm getting a picture.
Fantastic. I love it.